Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Darmiey. I trust you're having a wonderful weekend. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my carrot cake. So let's get started. I'm going to start by grating in some carrots. I'm going to leave the detailed measurements and ingredients in the description box below, so please check it out. After I grate my carrots, I set this aside. And then I take some flour and sprinkle it on my chopped roasted walnuts and set this aside, just so that the walnuts don't sink to the bottom of the batter. Okay, so now I'm going to add my flour, baking soda and baking powder, cinnamon and nutmeg, and some salt. I'll mix this together, set this aside and work on my wet ingredients. So I have 4 eggs in my bowl. Now I'm going to add vegetable oil and half cup each of white and brown sugar. Then a tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'll mix everything well again. And then I'm going to mix my wet and dry ingredients together. And then I add my carrots and mix it well. I didn't put any milk in this because the carrots are going to release some moisture in the cake, so it's going to be fine. And then I'm going to add my chopped walnuts that I coated with some flour and mix everything till it's combined. Now I'm going to take my cake pan and I'll spray it with some cooking spray. Spray it really well so that it doesn't stick. And then I'm going to pour my cake batter into the pan. Okay. Now I'm just poking it around to get rid of any air bubbles, and then I'm going to tap the pan. Now I'll put this in my oven at 350 F for about 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. So it's been 40 minutes, my cake is ready. I'm just going to put it on my wire rack until it cools down completely. While I'm waiting for my cake to cool down, I'm going to work on my glaze. So I have 1 package of cream cheese and 3 cups of powdered sugar. I'm going to mix this well until everything is combined. Now I'm going to add a dash of vanilla extract and some salt. I'll mix it again. And then I start adding milk slowly until I get to the consistency I want. So I have 3 tablespoons of milk here, but I didn't use the whole thing. So you just keep adding in milk until you get to the consistency you want. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. It's a pourable consistency. Now I'm going to put it into my measuring cup, so it's going to be easy for me to pour it on my cake. Now I'll start pouring my cream cheese glaze on my cake. And I'll finish it off with some roasted walnuts. And this is how it looks. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and also leave a comment in the comment section on what you think about this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video, which is every Saturday by 12 p.m. Eastern Time or 5 p.m. West African Time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a good one. Bye.